Grab your piece of origami paper and put the side you want to see face down. Then fold your paper in half. Next, fold your paper in half again to make a square shape. Like this. Then, fold one of your flaps up, like this, to the top. Then, unfold that, and you will see two creases. Take your paper and fold it diagonally to the second crease. Then, unfold that and fold it diagonally, again, the other way to that same crease. Then, put your paper down, fold in the edges, and press down. Just like this. I will show you again. Put your paper down, fold in the edges, and press down. Just like this. Then take your paper here and fold it up just to the bottom of your triangle here. Like this. Then fold all of your paper in half, like this. Unfold that and you will see a crease in the middle, right here. Take both sides of your paper at the bottom and fold it to that crease. Just like this. Then repeat on the other side. Next, take your paper and fold it up again, like this. Now, take the corners of your paper and fold it down to the middle line, like this. The paper will be pretty hard to move, but just try your best to fold it down. Then, take your little flaps here and fold it out. Just like this. Let me show you that again. Take your flaps here and pull out, just like this. It will make a shape similar to the top one, like this. Then, take your paper and fold it down. Just like this. The corners you just need to fold down. Just like this. Then take your paper here and fold it to a diagonal line like this. This will make a leg of your frog. Just like this. Then repeat on the other side. Then do the same thing at the top here for the arms. Like this. Then once you have that, you are going to fold your paper in half at the little dot here. Then fold your paper in half again. It will be stiff, but just try your best. Like this. Then flip your frog over and press down just here, right here, and yay, it jumped! Have fun playing with your origami frog.